Parents. Parents is one of the greatest titles in the world, and to have parents to call mom and dad is one of the biggest blessings. Our parents, our family, that's the biggest inspiration in our life. Good morning to all. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary standing before you with my classmates to present today's morning assembly on the theme Parents, or love and respect your parents. For parents, their children are everything and they do everything to put a smile on their faces. When they are young, they take their parents' love for them for granted and don't appreciate them as much as they deserve. But as they grow older, they realize that their parents are the biggest supporters in their lives. They happily gave up a lot of things in order to them in the best possible way they could. Thank you, God, for our parents. We are so grateful for their love, attention, help, guidance, understanding, and wisdom. God, please help us to be as loving to them as they have been to us. Let us show our devotion by honoring the gift that God gave us. That is our parents. Let us start prayer. Join your hands, all of you, and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, the Pledge of Allegiance is said to instill a sense of patriotism amongst us. It gives us a sense of unity, commitment, and purpose. Now let us take a vow with Kriti from class 7th. Thank you, Kriti. Our parents are the ones who raised us, take care of us while we are growing up, and give us unconditional love. Nobody on earth can ever love us more than our parents. Let us give them back the love and care that they gave us. To inspire us, here is Param from class 8 for today's thought. Good morning to all of you. My name is Param. Today's thought is, it is the sunlight of parental love and encouragement that enables a child to grow in competence and slowly gain mastery over his environment. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you, Param, for such a nice thought. Daily news helps us to learn something new every day and increase our knowledge too. It promotes many interesting facts about the state, country, and the world. But in the hustle bustle of life, we don't get time to read newspaper in the morning. So, for today's news headlines, I would like to call Shifa from class 8th. Thank you, Shifa, for giving us today's news update. Knowledge is power. It improves the reasoning and critical thinking. For all of us, it is important to get updated with the current world. So, to check and enhance our knowledge, I would like to call Amira from class 8th. After GK quiz, thank you, Amira, for enhancing our knowledge. Words are important. We can't build up a vocabulary if we never meet any new word. Here are some words that are associated with parents. Here I would like to call Ved from class 8 to test our knowledge and let us widen our vocabulary too. Thank you very much, Ved. No matter when and wherever we go, our parents are always in us. There is no friendship, no love like that of the parent for the child. They are the most amazing people we can find around the world for all the sacrifices they had made for us. And it's important for us too to keep our parents happy. To speak on respect and love your parent, I would like to call Disha from class 7th. Thank you, Disha, for such an amazing and heart-touching speech. India is united under one flag. The national anthem is significant in uniting people and reminding us that there we stand and remain one under the Indian Union. Let us give respect to our nation by singing national anthem. And now you all get ready for national anthem. After national anthem, dear God, grant that we can honor our parents as they deserve to be honored. Keep them healthy, strong, and bring them joy. Today's assembly is over. Thank you to all of you for cooperating. Have a nice day ahead.